Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Redmi 13c actually supports the carrier 5G bands. This matters because hardware and bands must match. Once done, insert a 5G-capable SIM and enable mobile data. Then update carrier APN settings if needed so your phone negotiates 5G. Make sure to run the system update over Wi-Fi and backup settings before changing network modes. This first set of actions removes common blockers and gets you ready to switch the radio settings and test a live 5G connection. Now you configure the phone to prefer 5G. Go to Settings, SIM cards and mobile networks and choose the preferred network type to include 5G. Then carefully enter the APN values your carrier provided. Accuracy prevents registration errors. And toggle VO LTE or enhanced 4G if the carrier requires it for voice. Once these settings are applied, restart the device to force a fresh registration. After reboot, use the system network info or a field test app to verify NR, 5G, cell ID and signal strength so you know it connected. Finish by validating performance. Run a speed test in a confirmed 5G area to compare latency and throughput versus 4G. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reset the SIM, and ensure your plan actually includes 5G. Carriers sometimes require provisioning. If problems persist, capture modem or network info for the carrier, try a network settings reset, and only then consider a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip. If 5G appears unstable, force the phone back to 4G and test again to isolate coverage versus device issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.